Question number 2. O is any point inside the triangle ABC. Inside the triangle ABC, here is O. We have to prove AB plus AC. AB plus AC is greater than OB plus OC. First, put a point O. Here is O. Now we have to join. This is O. We have to join BO, and we have to also extend this to D, and later we have to join AO and CO. This is the construction part. Therefore, first given part. What is given part? O is any point on triangle ABC. O is any point inside triangle ABC. This is given part, right? Construction part. Construction, join B comma O and C comma O and A comma O again, and extend BO to D, so that it intersect AC at D. Okay. Now we have to prove. This is proof part. What do we have to prove? Look this, in triangle ABD, in this triangle, okay, ABD, what we will get? In triangle ABD, AB plus AD, AB plus AD, this is greater than BD, this is greater than BD, AB plus AD, third side BD is greater than this third side, okay. Or we can write here, or AB plus AD and BD is we can write BD as BO plus OD, okay, BO plus OD, BO plus OD, this is 1. Similarly, from triangle OCD, which one is OCD? OCD, from this triangle, okay. OCD we get OD plus DC, OD plus DC, OD plus DC, this is greater than OC, this is greater than OC, this is number 2. Adding these two, 1 plus 2 gives, 1 plus 2 gives AB plus AD, AB plus AD plus OD plus DC, that is greater than BO plus OD plus OC, okay. Now AD plus DC, now AB plus AD plus DC, and we have to cancel OD from both sides. This is greater than BO plus OC, and this AD plus DC, look this carefully, AD plus DC, that is equal to AC. Therefore, AB plus AC is greater than BO plus OC. Look the proof, AB plus AC is OB plus OC. BO means OB. Okay, we can write this as OB. This is the proof, no doubt. We can put this number 3. Similarly, we can prove another 2. Another 2 is similarly AC plus BC, this is greater than OA plus OB, and AC, this is AB plus BC is OA plus, first write OA plus OC, first write OA plus A, okay, first write AB plus BC, AB plus BC is greater than OA plus OC, this is number 4, and AC plus BC greater than OA plus OB, this is number 5. Now, if we add these three means number this one and this one. If we add these three, then we will get, look this carefully, AB, AC, there is 2 AB and AB, and there is 2 AB and AB, and AC 2 AC and 2 BC. Therefore, we get 2 into AB plus BC plus AC, that is greater than 2 into OA plus OB plus OC. Cancel both side 2. Therefore, AB plus BC plus AC is greater than OA plus OB plus OC. Proof. Okay, look this carefully.